Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Amazon EC2 instances using AMI creation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Amazon EC2 instances using AMI creation, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard from the Services menu. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Instances option. Select the EC2 instance that you want to backup. In the upper right corner, click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, hover over the Image and Templates option. Then, click on Create Image. A new window will appear prompting you to enter the image name. It's a good practice to include the date in the image name for easy identification. You can also provide an optional description of the AMI. Next, ensure the No Reboot option is unchecked for a consistent backup. This ensures that the instance is rebooted before the AMI is created. Now, set your desired settings for the number of snapshots. You can leave the default settings if you are unsure. Once all options are set, click on the Create Image button at the bottom of the window. You will see a notification confirming that your image is being created. To check the progress, navigate to the Images section under the EC2 dashboard. Click on AMIs to view all your AMIs. Here, you can see the status of the AMI you just created. It may take a few minutes for the AMI to be available. Once the status changes to available, your backup is complete. You can now use this AMI to launch new instances at any time. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your EC2 instance using AMI creation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.